children. Good morning.
Children, in the previous class you have learnt about living and non-living things in third class. Children, what are living things? Things that which can move, breathe air, drink water, eat food. This type of things are called living things. What are basic needs of living things, children? Basic needs, living things basic needs, children: water, food, air, soil. These are basic needs of living things. Okay children, now I am going to tell you about needs and wants lesson. What is lesson name, children? Needs and wants. Needs and wants. See here children, the boy shown in this picture seems to be very thirsty. Which do you think will quench in this his thirsty? Water and Coke. Water. A boy shown in this picture seems to be very thirsty. Okay. Which do you think will quench in his thirsty? Water. See in this picture children. Here a boy is eating so many varieties of food. Is it necessary to eat all these for survival? No. Next children. See here, are these necessity or luxury? What is this children? Luxury house. And clothes and house are necessity. This is a luxury house. This is a luxury clothes. Next children, from these pictures try to imagine what is going on between the mother and child. What do you expect from your family more often? This type or this type? Think children. In this lesson, we shall learn about our needs and wants and how we meet them. Children, what is a need? A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. What is a need, children? Repeat again. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Example: air, water, food, land, shelter. These are our basic needs. What is our basic needs, children? Air, water, food, land, shelter, clothes also. Next, wants. What is want? What are wants? Desires for goods, services, feelings and other things we would like to have but do not need. Wants but do not need. Okay children, what are different between a need and a want? Need is a something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Wants, desire for goods, service, feelings and other things we would like to have but do not need. In this lesson, we shall learn about our needs and wants. See here children, see in this picture, what is this? Food, water, shelter, house, clothes. A need is something we cannot do without and is essential for a person to survive. If a need is not met, it may lead to inability of functioning effectively and even death sometimes. Food, water, shelter and clothes are considered as basic needs for the human beings to survive. What are basic needs, children? In considered human beings, for the human beings in survive, food, water, shelter and clothes are considered as basic needs for the human beings to survive. These could be seen and touched. Some basic needs like sleep are also part of our life. Next, children, see this picture, children. Playing, fighting. Some needs such as love, affection, kindness, this is a kindness, friendship, cannot be physical, felt or seen. Some needs such as love, affection, kindness, friendship cannot be physical, felt or seen. Basic education, medical facilities, electricity, communication, transport, clean environment, safety and security are also considered as the needs provided by the society. Needs provided by the, what are the needs provided by the society? Basic education, medical facilities, electricity, communication, transport, clean environment, safety and security are also considered as the needs provided by the society. After needs have been satisfied, the priority shift towards wants. After needs have been satisfied, the priorities shift towards wants. Next, children, wants. A want is something we would like to have but can live without. It is not absolutely necessary for our survival, but it increases the quality of living. Wants differ from person to person. Wants differ from person to person. It is not absolutely necessary for our survival, but it increases the quality of living. See here, children. These are human beings. Vehicle, car, bike. Next, race car, Eiffel Tower. Wants are unlimited, competitive, complementary, recurring, relative, alternative, gradable. Wants are, what are wants, children? Wants are unlimited. Wants are unlimited, competitive, complementary, recurring, relative, alternative, gradable. Now I am going to tell you about unlimited. First, unlimited. Unlimited, children. Human wants are unlimited and over increasing. When one want is satisfied, another want takes its place. A person who is using a bicycle may want a bike. After buying a bike, he may dream about having a car. After, helicopter. Okay, children, understood? A person this is a person who is using a bicycle. First use bicycle. After, may want a bike. After, this person want a bike. After buying a bike, he may dream car, about having a car. After, helicopter. These are called unlimited. Women wants are unlimited and over increasing. When one wants to satisfied, another want take its place. Next want, competitive. With the money at our disposal, we can satisfy only a few wants of our choice. One can afford either buying new clothes for the family or a holiday trip. Next, complementary. Some wants create other wants. Some wants create other wants. To satisfy the want for a comfortable living, a house alone is not enough. It creates want for furniture also. Next, recurring. A particular want full satisfied at a point of time reappears after a period of time. Cool drinks and fast food are some of the examples. Recurring examples: cool drinks and fast foods. Relative. Certain wants are relative to time and place. They change from time to time, from person to person, and from place to place. We want woolen clothes during the winter and cotton clothes during the summer. Relative seasonal dresses. Next, alternative. Some wants can be satisfied with substitutes. Thirsty can be satisfied by drinking either cool drink or coconut water for fruit juice or water. Alternative. Water alternate coconut drink alternate fruit juice. Next, gradable. Some wants are more important than other wants. Therefore, wants are graded and satisfied other basis of their importance. See here children: cell phone, computer, fridge, TV. These are gradable. Some wants are more important than other wants. These are basic importance. A needed sustains you and a want entertains you. A need sustains you and a want entertains you. Wants change over a period of time, whereas the basic needs may not change considerable. But nowadays it is difficult to demonstrate a need or a want due to changing lifestyles, quality of life, and urbanization. Lifestyle, quality of life, and urbanization. Okay children, understood what is a need and what is a want? What are wants? What are wants children? Wants are unlimited, competitive, complementary, recurring, elective, alternative, gradable. Okay children, remaining lesson explanation of tomorrow. Okay children, bye. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.